Welcome to Mool Dwarka, part of Saurashtra coast. You can see the location of the beach on the map. Today we are going to learn about the formation of coastal sand dunes. The waves, tides and currents are responsible behind the deposition of a lot of sand onto the coast. As you can see, the constructive waves which are flowing over here, slowly and steadily depositing a lot of fine sediment onto the coast where thrash is stronger than backwash. The fine sediment is deposited onto the shoreline, and as you move away from the coast, from the shoreline actually, you will find that the sand becomes coarse grain. High tide and low tide are depositing the sand far away onto the coast. Looking at the types of sand dunes, embryophore, yellow, grey, dune, mature, all the types are not existing over here, but you can see that vegetation has started covering the sea beach. As you can move away from the coast, the sand is becoming coarse grain, and the wind which is blowing from the sea is depositing the sand far away from the shoreline onto the coast, and there is aeolian transport where inland winds are also blowing and they also deposit back sand into the sea. To avoid this kind of deposition where the beach is spreading, and due to the aeolian transport the sand is deposited back into the sea, or the sand is spreading across the beach, to avoid that vegetation is being grown. Naturally also vegetation has the capacity to hold the soil. The grass and shrubs are the starting phase. They hold the soil for a longer period of time, and when this kind of trees are growing naturally onto the coast, they have the ability to hold the soil for a longer period of time. If you look at the backside of this tree, there are a number of trees which has naturally grown, and they are actually reducing the speed of the wind onto the coast, also stopping the sand to spread and cover the agricultural farms. This type of trees are very common across the Saurashtra coast. You can see here at the back side there are also some trees which are naturally grown, some trees which are being planted. Now if you look at this region, there is a slope. The slope is opposite to the sea. It means that the sand will come up to this point, but there are a lot of trees which are existing over here, so these trees will not allow sand to move away from here and deposit in the agricultural field. These larger areas is actually stabilizing the sand dune, and plantation trees which are there, which has been done by the farmers, these plantation trees are also helping to hold the soil and reduce the effect of the in terms of erosion. Commercial construction sites also plants a lot of trees to avoid destruction from the waves and tides.